Hi everyone, today we are making pink decorations with some pink stuff that I still have left and I want to use it. So let's start. First we're gonna do a heart for hang, so we first do a hole here. And we're putting a string here so we could hang it. I had to do 2 knots. If you can do smaller hole, it's better. I will glue it as well. And now I will glue all of these pink balls around with hot glue. Okay, something like this. I'm gonna do another line and we'll see how it's gonna come. So we have now 2 lines. I'm gonna do the third one. I was thinking like this also. So just put hot glue like this and then just put it all like this. So I'm cutting now all this with this knife, just be careful. So you can leave it like this, but I'm gonna add this one. Like this. Now we're gonna do a quick Christmas tree. With pine cone, I'm just gonna glue this star up here. And I glue also all the pink balls around. And it's finished. So if you like the video, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, ciao!